Planting and nurturing seedlings, especially delicate ones like tomatoes and peppers, requires attention to detail to ensure they grow strong and healthy. Without proper nourishment, their roots may not develop well, and they can become susceptible to diseases like blackleg. However, with a few simple additions to the soil, you can give your seedlings the boost they need to thrive. To begin, dig a hole according to the size of the root ball of your plant. This ensures that the roots have ample space to spread out and establish themselves in the soil. Into this hole, add a handful of compost or manure, which serves as a potent source of organic matter and nutrients for the plants. Additionally, include 1 tablespoon of rice flour and half a spoon of turmeric into the mix. Rice flour acts as a valuable source of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and other trace elements necessary for plant growth. Turmeric, besides its culinary uses, contains antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help maintain soil health and ward off diseases. By incorporating these ingredients into the planting hole, you provide the seedlings with a nutrient-rich environment conducive to their growth. When it comes time to plant your seedlings, there's a trick to help them establish strong root systems. For tomatoes, it's beneficial to remove the lower leaves and plant the stem deep into the soil. This allows the stem to produce additional roots, providing the plant with added stability and better access to nutrients. But what if your seedlings are already in the ground? It's still essential to continue feeding them regularly to promote healthy growth. You can make a simple liquid fertilizer using rice flour, turmeric, and compost or manure. To do this, add a handful of compost or manure, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and half a teaspoon of turmeric into 1 liter of warm water. Allow the mixture to infuse for several hours before using it to fertilize your plants. This homemade fertilizer can be applied every 2 weeks to ensure your seedlings receive a steady supply of nutrients. By following these steps and providing your seedlings with the nourishment they need, you can help them develop strong roots, thick stems, and lush foliage. This not only protects them from diseases, but also ensures they thrive and produce an abundant harvest. So, whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or other plants, remember the importance of proper soil preparation and regular feeding to support their growth.